Browsing an e-commerce site shouldn't feel like a maze. Yet many users struggle to find what they need when subcategories are unclear. This frustration can lead to wasted time and a poor shopping experience. Let's explore how to streamline navigation with clear subcategory thumbnails and see how the right visuals can transform your users' shopping experience. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 309 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Use thumbnails to represent subcategories on intermediary category pages. When browsing online stores, most users face a common challenge on intermediary category pages, figuring out which subcategory holds the products they want. If the differences between subcategories aren't clear, users might waste precious time exploring each one to understand what's inside. This can be frustrating and inefficient. During testing, we observed users struggle to choose a subcategory from intermediary category pages when they only included text links. Text can be difficult to scan and offers minimal information sent. The fact that users will have to scan a lot of text-only headings on this intermediary category page on Zalando will slow them down considerably when looking for the most suitable navigation path. To make shopping easier, there's a simple yet powerful strategy. Always include subcategory thumbnails on intermediary category pages. This applies to both desktop and mobile sites. But it's not just about having any images. The key is to use thumbnails that are easy to understand at a quick glance. These visuals should clearly show what kind of products you'll find in each subcategory. On Hayneedle, clear and informative subcategory thumbnails allow users to quickly scan the options and decide which one to choose. Similarly, these thumbnails on Smith's Toys make it perfectly clear what product types are in each subcategory. To help users efficiently scan subcategory options, subcategory links should always be accompanied with thumbnails on intermediary category pages. The thumbnails on Wayfair's intermediary category page clearly represent subcategories rather than specific products. Their minimized size reinforces their purpose as main focus, improving information sent. These subcategory thumbnails on Gap don't effectively communicate what's in each subcategory. The images lack clarity about which clothing item is the main focus. For instance, the shirts image also shows a vest and jeans. As a result, users will need to read each text label to determine which path is most relevant to their needs. This defeats the purpose of using visual aids to speed up navigation. Just having a thumbnail to represent a subcategory isn't enough. The thumbnail must clearly depict the products included in the subcategory. For example, during testing, when thumbnails showed products in context, like whole outfits or decorated rooms, participants tended to hesitate. They ended up resorting to reading the accompanying subcategory text labels. The thumbnails on Sears's women's clothing intermediary category page focus on the specific type of item, making it easy for users to find the subcategory of interest. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your intermediary category pages, including over 40 homepage guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.